Hello, we are very excited to introduce the integration of WellSky LTC with Kno2 for the receipt of electronic referrals and integrated cloud faxing. With this combination, you'll be able to replace the use of a fax machine when coordinating care with providers in your community. In many cases, you are printing the documents from the EMR and then scanning them through the copier or fax machine to send them. Then when you receive a fax, again, you print them and then you scan them to get them into the chart, just to turn around and shred them later. Ugh, that is expensive and time-consuming. When you get your Kno2 subscription, you will port your numbers from the fax machines, eliminating the fax machines, and you can connect to the referral platforms in your community, and you're ready to receive e-referrals from the EMRs of the providers in your community, putting you at the top of their list because you'll help them achieve their quality measures. Let's see how it works. When you are in WellSky LTC, you will see an indicator of all new messages, including new faxes and electronic referrals that have been routed to you for processing. You can also receive email messages or pop-ups on your desktop when new faxes and e-referrals are received. When you look in Kno2, you'll see all of the new faxes and e-referrals that have been routed to you through the intake rules set up in Kno2. You'll no longer need to print faxes and scan them into WellSky LTC. And you can connect to the local hospitals and providers using the same messaging capabilities that is built into their electronic medical record systems. Or you can still use fax. Let's look at a signed plan of care we received from Dr. Smith for our resident, Shirley Adams. And we can download it from Kno2 right into Shirley's chart in WellSky LTC. First, enter the date of birth or last name, and then you look up the resident. You'll also designate the document type so that it goes to the desired location in the resident's chart. No more printing a fax and then scanning it so you can shred it. Using Kno2 integrated with WellSky LTC, you're going to save so much time. The same is true of incoming e-referrals from the hospitals and various providers in the community. As you can see here on screen, we have a direct message with the transition of care document for our new resident, Roy Jones. This document was generated by the hospital's EMR with all of the data about Roy. The data can be copied from this document and pasted into Roy's chart as you admit him into your facility, and the designated care team is alerted with a message in WellSky LTC. Let's see where Roy's transition of care document went in his chart and how easy it is for the care team to find his information. Perfect. In the event you're sending documents to external organizations and providers to transition care or for concurrence and agreement to a provider, you select the document, save that document into a folder for that provider, and Kno2 will construct the message or fax, and you just have to enter a couple of key pieces of information for the cover page and audit trail, and off it goes. No printing, scanning, and shredding. Wow, that's easy. The setup of Kno2 is simple, and the training only takes a few minutes, which will dramatically improve the security of your care coordination workflows. You will appreciate the fact that your Kno2 account can be configured to route documents to the correct users, and since Kno2 is cloud-based, the user does not have to be at the office to send or receive a fax. And imagine, no more busy signals, out of toner, out of paper, or machine downtime. Contact your WellSky account manager today to get your Kno2 account set up with WellSky LTC so that you can start saving time and money.